Welcome to art class! This week we will study our Artist of the Month. Hi students, welcome back to art. It's our last lesson of the school year. I have so enjoyed being your teacher. Thank you for tuning in, watching the lessons, posting your artwork. You all are incredibly talented, and I'm so inspired by the posts on Padlet, which I get to see. Now, we have a printmaking lesson. This is made from your foam plate, which you have in your kit. I have an easy version and a hard version. And for this lesson, we are going to study Ruben Rojas, which is our Artist of the Month. Meet Colombian-American activist and street artist Ruben Rojas. Ruben isn't your traditional artist. He didn't start painting until 2013. However, he is a very well-rounded person. Ruben Rojas played football in college and has a Bachelor of Science in Kinesiology. He had a career in real estate and became an investor. Those pathways didn't work out for him. In 2013, he picked up a paintbrush and began to paint. He left his careers and began to work on street art that focused on love and positivity. He's been hired by different brands to create campaigns. He's even painted murals at the zoo. He has artwork all over the US and in Europe. It's time to pause the video and grab your supplies. Option 1. Use a symbol or simple drawing. On your plate, create a drawing, perhaps an image that repeats itself. Step 2. Cover the plate with marker ink.
Cover it with marker, like this.
Step 3. Place the covered plate ink side down on paper.
Once you've done that, you flip it down or you flip it over and you lay it down. You might need an adult to help you. And as you lay it down, you hold it still.
Step 4. Apply pressure.
You rub with your fingers. I actually recommend rubbing, like take a thermos or something hard. Here I have a little bottle of vitamin type pills. Lift it up and then you have your image.
Step 5. Color in details.
Now this one I've already started to go in with my marker and highlight things I want to stick out because I lost some of the image. But I also am going to leave a mix. Like I like the faded heart in the background and I like that some of them pop. So you get to decide how you want to approach this project.
And tip.
And here's another one I did, same concept. I just want to show you guys this because I want to show you if you rub your pencil over a whole section, it flattens it out, and then when you print it, it comes out white.
Option 2. Use letters and words. To use words, you'll have to write backwards. Here's a trick to do that.
So you see here, I have the word fun written backwards. To do this easily, you can follow the following steps. You can write out your words on a sheet of paper.
2. Trace on the back of the paper so that it transfers to the plate.
Flip the sheet over. Notice I've already traced them. Lay them down over your plate, your foam plate. We call this a printing plate. And go ahead and trace over the words that you see from the back. If you can't see them, you might have to hold it up a little bit against the window and then trace the words.
Now you're going to repeat the process of putting marker ink on your foam plate and transferring it to the paper, which was modeled earlier in the video. Here are my 4 final plates, which I worked on using the process I showed you today. Be sure to follow all the steps you've watched in the video to receive full credit. They are also listed in the attached rubric in your teacher's classroom. Remember, it's optional to post on Padlet, and it's mandatory to post to your teacher's classroom. We can't wait to see your masterpieces!